Martin Ray was established in 1943 by Martin Ray, who trained under Paul Masson, French winemaker. And Martin Ray made wine in the Santa Cruz Mountains until he passed away in '72, and his stepson ran it until '76. I came across it in a warehouse in San Jose in 1991. I did a little studying on it and found out that it actually had a really rich history. I bought the inventory and the trademark, and then from '91 on, I basically started reestablishing the brand. And to this day, we basically do a lot of the same varieties. We still get grapes from the Santa Cruz Mountains, and also from other appellations, Napa, and of course, the Russian River where we're located.
I think the common threads is we don't overthink winemaking. Winemaking is a craft and an art, but it's not this mysterious thing that only special people can do. Our goal is to make wines that people actually want to drink. If you have really good fruit to work with, our job is to be minimal interventionists and really just steer it toward what it wants to be. Each vineyard develops its own aesthetic and its own sort of profile, and the worst thing we could do is destroy that by over manipulation or anything else. I think the philosophy, if anything, would be to do hands off as much as possible and let the wines guide themselves.